everyone. So in today's session we'll be discussing some questions based on misspelled words. We usually ignore this topic thinking that it's a very basic topic we'll be able to use when it comes to English grammar, but let me tell you it's very important to solve at least 2-3 times when you are going to sit for any exam, appear in any of the exam. Why? Because it is of the utmost importance. Though we all know that we are aware of the proper meanings of the words and also some spellings of the words because we have been practicing a lot, but still just to uh, not to let your accuracy hamper, we should definitely practice this as well. So I have come up with some very interesting and good questions here. Let's see how we'll answer these questions. For example, if there's calendar, you see you can always misinterpret the spelling of calendar from DER to DER, tomorrow to double M to single M, disappear to disappear. Correct answer definitely noticeable, convenient. So these are very some basic common errors which any human can counter, right? Okay, so let me show you some questions based on it. So basically a misspelled word is a word that is spelled incorrectly. Misspell, to spell a word incorrectly, misspelling and an incorrect spelling of a word. Typo is basically a mistake in written or published writing such as misspelled word or misspelled punctuation mark, whereas misprint is another term for a typo or a mistake in written or published writing. Some common examples of misspelled words are conscientious instead of consensus, equipment instead of equipment, independent instead of independent, readable instead of readable, usable instead of usable, right? Usable. So these are some very common words which we like spell mistakenly. So let's not leave any stone unturned and answer such questions, counter such questions also. Okay, so the direction says in the question below, four words printed in bold are given. These are numbered A, B, C, and D. One of these words printed in bold might either be wrongly spelled or inappropriate in the context of the sentence. Find out the word that is inappropriate or wrongly spelled, if any. The number of the word in your answer is your answer. If the words printed in bold are correctly spelled and appropriate in the context of the sentence, then mark E as your answer. That is all correct as your answer. Okay, let's get started. So the first question is, China has lodged stern representations to the United States. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Jen Swang said at a daily news conference demanding the US respect facts and correctly viewed China's religious policies. All you have to see is which one of the following is incorrectly spelled, and if you think that none of the words are incorrectly spelled, you can definitely mark your answer as all correct. Take your time and answer the following question. You have to check very minutely that which of the following will make your correct answer and then answer the question. Be ready with your pen and paper so that when you answer these questions you actually know that what is your accuracy level. Okay, anyway, so the correct answer would be stan is not a word. The correct word should be strong, has large strong representations. There's no such word as stan, hence the error is in option number A. Next question. Chinese people of all ethnic groups enjoy full freedom of religious belief in accordance with the law, Jen said, adding that the Chinese government also protects its citizens' freedom of religious belief and related rights according to the law. So, what according to you think is the erroneous part, or is there no error? Definitely accordance. The correct spelling of accordance is accordance. You see, it's written so beautifully that you will not be able to analyze. Why? Because in the during the pressure, during the exam pressure, when you will be sitting for an examination, you will definitely miss out answering such questions like this. Okay, next, this is the second call between the two sides since the G20 summit concluded in Japan in late June, during which time both China and the US agreed to restart economic and trade consultations based on equality and mutual respect. Between concluded economic consultation. I think all the answers are correct, and hence we should go with option number E, all correct. Next, it must be considered that the zone is extremely difficult to access and that it is in an area of great richness of marine mammals like whales and dolphins, which could see themselves seriously affected in their habitat. Given that when coming on the surface to breathe, they could meet this layer of oil. So, which do you think has an error? Definitely option number C. The correct spelling of habitat is Habitat. Next question. The terror group says its aim is to impose stricter enforcement of Sharia law across Africa's most populous nation, which is split between a majority Muslim north and a mostly Christian south. So you have to check the words here: stricter, populist, which is split, and mostly. So you have to see which one of the following is correct and incorrect. So where does the error lie? Keep answering so that your accuracy is also maintained and you are solving, uh, doing both the things, learning also and solving and practicing as well. Okay, so stricter here is correct. I guess stricter is like strict, stricter, strictest. Stricter here is totally correct. We have words populist, split, mostly, then. So populist is also populist is somewhat not correct, but split is correct and mostly is correct. So I'll go with option number B, populist. Next, in each of the following below, okay, same. Okay, there are certain words which are not underlined, but you have to figure out which one of the following is. Let's read once again. One of these words printed in bold might either be wrongly spelled. Okay, we have to understand which one of the following word is basically. The legislation shows that the government is eager to impose a certain morality on others, as the bill excludes gay couples, single men and women, and unmarried couples who want a child. So definitely certain is wrongly spelled here. Next, the promised he has promised to make the local letters section an interactive one. Readers will raise issues and the newspapers will seek responses to these issues from the authorities concerned. So the error is definitely A, promised. Spelling error. Okay, next one is one reader said that the office official responses could become formulaic and wanted the newspaper to examine both the complaints and the responses. So there is a system of accountability. Definitely accountability. Accountability is ACCUNTABILITY. Next, there are a few choices ranging from a do-it-yourself DIY option to approaching a tax return preparer or an online intermediary, depending on the knowledgeable you on how knowledgeable you are in taxation and financial matters and what kind of services you look for. So definitely the incorrect spelling is preparer. Brand named variously as householders comprehensive policy from the public sector general issuers or home secure insurers or home secure, my home cover, and Griha Suvidha by various general insurers. It is usually a package policy that goes beyond ensuring your home and its content, thus offering a coverage and better premium. So, what do you think is the correct answer? Brand named variously as householder comprehensive policy form, right? It should not be from, it should be form, FORM. Okay. What makes the 2019 election unprecedented is not that inappropriate words were used and misinformation spread, but the fact that India witnesses an increasing tendency to normalize these. Definitely, witnesses spelling is wrong here. Next, on the one hand, informed discussion have become difficult, and on the other side, social tension has have risen. So the correct answer is informed. It should be informed and not informed. With stronger headwind ahead in the form of an escalating trade war between the US and China, the imbroglio in the Middle East, the outlook for export demand is far from reassuring. So the correct answer to the following will be the error here would be none of these, I think. Correct answer is all are correct. Next question. Australia, among the world's largest wheat exporters, has been forced to take recourse to bulk imports of the grain consequent to severe droughts in its eastern states over 2 years. The error is in option number C. Recourse. It should be recourse. As with several industrialized democracies, disillusionment with the principal parties yielding a fragmented polity. So here several disillusionment yielding fragmented. Which one of the following is incorrect? Just check once. All these spellings are correct and hence the correct answer is all are correct. Next question. The greatest achievement the greatest achievement of modern medicines has been to save premature death and allow us to enjoy the full measure of our years. Medicines, of course. Next, the panel decided to investigate the fraud charges against the company, which has always been reticent about its internal operations. So the error here is no error, all are correct. Next, educating girls have proven to be one of the educating girls have proven to be world's ideas. Okay, here it should be has, not have. Next, the researchers had collected all the Ebola data since the start of the epidemic and used it to calculate the expected number of new cases. So the error here is calculate. Spelling is incorrect. Climate changes is way too important a global risk. Climate change is way too important a global risk to be ignored